the very foundation of our Christian life, which is God loved us first. If that is so, our response will be, we should love God. And this is seen by loving our neighbor. St. John tells us quite strongly, he calls us liars if we don't respond to God's love, if we don't love our neighbor. I'm sure it's very difficult for us to put into practice love our neighbor, whoever he or she is, because we always have so-called our differences. And to pray for them and to love them is at times very, very difficult. And John says, if I proclaim I love God, and I try to show this in my religious life, in my practical life, I don't do this, he says, we are liars. Strong, strong statement. Gospel passage today, we see Jesus in, so to say, in action in Nazareth, the place where he brought up. At that time, Nazareth was a small place. Everybody knew each other. It's like a small parish where the parish priest knows everybody. The father's name, the mother's name, and everybody. So the thing was that at that time. A place where, when you go even now to visit, it's a small place. We have developed now, but small place then, where all of them knew each other. And as a custom was of Jesus, on a Sabbath day, like we go on Sunday to the church, they went on Sabbath to the synagogue to hear the word of God and to be explain the word of God.